Well, welcome back to Great Day Washington. Summer is almost here, and sometimes diet and exercise might not be enough to get the body shape you want. So here with a few solutions, just in time for the warm weather season, is Dr. George Bitar, founder and medical director of the Bitar Cosmetic Surgery Institute. Welcome, Dr. Bitar.
Well, thank you for having me, Marquette. What a great show.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here because we went from eating, which we all love to do, to talking about making people look and feel their best. And we all love that as well. You have a variety of services that help people get in tip-top shape.
Absolutely, Marquette. You know, we saw the beautiful models, starting their stuff for the spring and the summer. And we are here to make their bodies, be very complimentary for those beautiful fashions.
Absolutely.
So at the Bitar Institute, we offer everything from the non-surgical way of getting ready for summer to the surgical and more invasive procedures.
So there's something for everyone. Shall we start with breast surgery, which is very popular?
Absolutely. We love that. And we do a lot of breast augmentations, breast lifts for those people who would love to look very complimentary in their bikinis. We do breast augmentations from the armpit, so no scar breast augmentations. And we have a minimally invasive way of doing it. So therefore, the recovery is quick and the ladies are able to be on the beaches very soon.
I love that. So you can still get the surgery, but since it's through the armpit, there's no scar, so you have options when it comes to bathing suits and things like that. You also have a male breast reduction surgery.
Yes, and that's called Gynecomastia surgery. So men who are unfortunate enough to have larger breasts, we're able to do a combination of either liposuction or liposuction and removal of the breast tissue in the office under local anesthesia, half an hour to an hour, and they're back to the, to the beach.
I understand that's a 1-week recovery time.
Yes, about
Absolutely.
1 week is about right.
And that could be a genetic condition, or sometimes a man can lose a lot of weight and have that extra skin there that can be removed.
Yes. I mean, we can do all that and get them to be not very self-conscious in the locker room. Or we have a lot of athletes here in the DC area that would like to be able to be at the beach without wearing a t-shirt. So that operation gets them back to their body shape, to their summer shape.
I want to move on to CoolSculpting because I understand you are a leader in the region when it comes to this procedure.
Absolutely. We love CoolSculpting, and it's basically the way to freeze the fat without having surgery. We have done almost about 3,000 procedures of that. We have 4 machines, which means we can do it in half the time. My partner, Dr. Larry Lickstein, is one of the national speakers on CoolSculpting. So we, we educate other doctors how to do it, and we have very happy patients with it, with their, time enough to get back to the summer. It takes about 2 to 3 months to see the results. So it's not immediate. But, between now and Memorial Day, they'll be ready.
Okay, so there's time. As a patient, you want to hear a doctor say things like, we've done 3,000, because the more you do it, the better you get at it.
Absolutely.
Let's move on to HD liposuction. I've heard of HD TV, but you have HD lipo.
Well, we live in a high-tech world.
Yes.
We have HD Instagram, where people are able to do all sorts of pictures on themselves, and we have HD liposuction, where we do with laser and our latest techniques in liposuction at the Bitar Institute, be able to chisel the body enough, in time for the summer. So by combining the different techniques that we have with tumescent liposuction, laser liposuction, and high-definition liposuction, which is accustomed to every person, of course, it can get them back to the, back to their swimsuit body in about a month to 3 months, depending on how much fat we need to remove.
There's time. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. The next one, tummy tuck. Moms out there watching, we love our children, right? But when you have 2 and 3 and 4 of them, sometimes the skin does not go back, and you need to get a tummy tuck.
Those munchkins are wonderful,
Yeah.
but unfortunately, sometimes they do the damage.
Yes.
And we do a lot of tummy tucks at the Bitar Institute. We have our 2 board-certified plastic surgeons. We've done thousands of tummy tucks between Dr. Lickstein, my partner, and myself. And it's just a joy to see women coming back in the office wearing nice clothes that they weren't able to wear before and having a nice flat tummy. So when liposuction is not enough, when you need to tighten the skin and tighten the muscle, then a tummy tuck, unfortunately, is necessary. But, when it's the right person, it's a great operation.
Okay.
It's about 2 weeks downtime, but within a month, they'll be ready to go back to the gym and, show their stuff in a bikini. I tell a lot of women, we're gonna make you bikini ready. It's like, oh, no, I'm not gonna wear a bikini anymore. I'm like, yes, you are.
As soon as they see the results, they're like, I'm gonna try on that bikini. I wanna go back to the abs, ab etching. That's something I'm not too familiar with.
Ab etching is something we're specialized in at the Bitar Cosmetic Surgery Institute. In fact, I'm going to be lecturing about it next month at the Italian Society of Plastic Surgery meeting in Rome. And it's basically a highly specialized way of liposuction to bring out those six-pack abs for men and for women. Now, we do it more for men, but we also do it for women. There are no implants in the picture. That's purely liposuction to bring out the person's own six-pack. So we tell them we trade the cake for a six-pack.
Well, it seems like the six-pack is there. You just help to reveal it.
But the secret is to do it in a very natural way, for it not to look like it is artificial. So we pride ourselves at the Bitar Institute of giving people very natural results, be it men who want six-pack abs or women who want breast augmentations.
Now, some people think it's very complimentary to have a nice round backside, and you help with that too.
Well, we love it. I trained in Brazil with the best plastic surgeons in Brazil, and that's where it originated from, the Brazilian butt lift. So it's important for people to know that it's not a butt implant, it's your own fat. So we take the fat from other parts of the body and we inject it into the buttocks in a very safe way. And it does two things. It shapes the waistline, the hips, the tummy, and it augments the butt. Now, for those ladies who don't have enough fat, we have a solution. We have Sculptra, and that's a filler that we use to reshape the butt and the contour of the butt. And we are one of the leaders in the area here. Dr. Lixty, my partner, and I have basically brought Sculptra to the area here, and we have very happy patients who may not have enough fat to warrant a Brazilian butt lift.
This sounds so amazing. I'm thinking that a lot of people out there, they want to look their best. They want to feel their best, whether they are a man or a woman, and you help them with that as one of Washington's top doctors. Where can people go to find more information?
Well, so we have our website at www.bitarinstitute.com. We are very active on social media to educate the public at the Bitar Institute. So that's our Instagram is at the Bitar Institute. And we have our website as well. And, we have our telephone number, which is 703-206-0506. And people can call us, and we'd be happy to give information. We like to educate, and we have fun, operating and educating.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Bitar. Once again, for more information, visit bitarinstitute.com or call the number right now, 703-206-0506. And if you mention Great Day Washington, you can learn about some special offers. Thanks once again, and we'll be right back.
If you're getting a tax refund and wondering how to spend it, why not invest in your number one asset, your home?